In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a task in Jira. Before we start, make sure you're already logged into your Jira account and that you have permission to delete issues in the project you're working in. Not everyone will see the delete option, so if you don't, you may need to ask your Jira administrator for extra permissions or use a different account. First, navigate to the project or board where your task lives. In this example, we're working from a Kanban-style board, sometimes called a My Kanban space or an all-work view. Open Jira, go to your project, and switch to the view where you can see the list of issues or cards. This might be the board view, the backlog, or a list view depending on how your Jira is set up. The key point is, you need to be able to see the task you want to delete. Once you see the task in the list or on the board, click directly on that task. This will open the issue details in a panel or a separate page. Here you'll see information like the summary, description, assignee, and any comments or attachments. Take a moment to confirm you've opened the correct task because deletion is permanent and will remove all of this information for everyone on the team. Next, look for the More Options menu. In most Jira layouts, this is represented by 3 dots near the top right of the issue panel or near the issue key. Click on that highlighted menu. This will open a drop-down with several actions you can perform on the issue. From this drop-down, find and click on the Delete option. When you select Delete, Jira will not remove the task immediately. Instead, a confirmation dialog will pop up asking you to confirm that you really want to delete this issue. In the confirmation dialog, you may be asked to type a specific word or phrase into a highlighted field, usually something like the word delete. This step is designed to prevent accidental deletions. Carefully type the required word into the box, making sure it matches exactly. After you've typed it in, click on the Delete button in that confirmation dialog. Jira will process your request, and the task will be permanently removed from the project. It will disappear from your board, filters, and search results. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a task in Jira, using the issue view, the options menu, and the confirmation dialog to ensure it's done safely and intentionally.